welcome 2025, everyone. Happy New Year, everybody. Heading to the town bar, first stop on this New Year's Eve. Here we are, town bar. Hey, Steve! Steve! Glenn! Hey, give away! Graham! John! Hey, Graham! And Rooster! Town bar, playing some pool. King, give me a little wave. There we are. Give me a wave over there, guys. Glenn. Hey, Graham. Yes. And Johnny. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year, Steve. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. All around me, beach roads closed, and it's just a throng of people walking around. There's people kind of walking everywhere, everyone trying to get a place for the impending fireworks. We're gonna continue walking up and down here. Check it out. Hang on. How busy it is. People are camped out on the sidewalks. Haven't even got to the beach yet. Got live music here at the fireworks festival. Fireworks, anything you want. Food stands are all along the promenade here. In front of Ukulele. Those look kind of nice. Thank you very much. A grape beverage for 30 baht. And she's pouring out another Fanta cherry or strawberry for this lady over here. Got another food stall item, a couple of these sausages here for 20 baht each, along with a drink. We're enjoying our time here out along the promenade before the fireworks, right in front of the Hilton. Ukulele, right there. Hey guys, give me a wave. And Central Festival. Alright, we got the sausage. I got down on the beach just to show you just how packed it is. Fireworks ground zero here, PATTAYA on Beach Road. Happy New Year, welcome 2025, everyone. Happy New Year, ladies. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hey, Happy New Year, my friend. Happy New Year, guy. Good fireworks show here in Pattaya. outside of View Chalet. Happy New Year, everybody! All the best, everybody, for 2025.